going to take a look at 3 words. What are the words? They are wrinkled, flushed, and shrugged. They all end in ed. They can all be past tense verbs. But wrinkled and flushed can be adjectives. What? Yeah, I know. Wrinkled means like with lines on the skin. My forehead is wrinkled. Oh, okay. Or Dorian Gray feared he would become old and wrinkled. Don't worry, Dorian, it's okay. Then we have flushed, not flush the toilet. No, flushed means to become red in the cheeks. For example, Dorian Gray's cheeks flushed when he saw his picture. Oh, got it. And then we have shrugged. Shrug means to raise one's shoulders as a sign of indifference. I shrugged, or I could give a shrug when I shrugged. Got it? Wrinkled, flushed, shrugged. Where did I learn these words? I learned them right here in The Picture of Dorian Gray. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? Leave it in the comments.